Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Oppo A92. So there are some ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time and we will have a screenshot as you can see here in the preview. Okay, one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we will have a screenshot. And if you're tapping now on the preview, we are able to edit this picture or to share it directly. So let's crop maybe a part here of the screenshot. Maybe if you want to crop a picture from a website or something like this, this is possible. Just go here on done. And this part is also now in our gallery. Same, you can draw something inside and so on. If you're ready with it, just go back here. It is automatically in our gallery. So there's another way to take a screenshot, and there's a hidden bar here at the side. So if you insert it like this, then you will have also here the opportunity to take a screenshot. And the third method is also very nice because you need your fingers for 3 fingers. And if you just swipe them down across the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. Now what is pretty cool, if you hold your fingers here on the screen, you can just crop automatically a part what you want here from the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. Very nice. And after, just go here directly on save and it is part of our gallery. So let me show you what you can do with the preview, by the way. Let's just make a screenshot again here, power button, down button. If you swipe the preview down, you can share this screenshot immediately. It saves a bit time. You can share it directly after with WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. Pretty nice. And if you want to make a long screenshot, maybe you can do this also. So just go on the website here, maybe, or whatever. And yeah, now we have an Oppo website. So I don't want to screenshot here now every site. I can screenshot it all together. So for that, just let us make a screenshot as well. You can use the method you prefer. I use the power buttons and the volume down button here. And now if we swipe the preview up, it makes a scrollshot, a long screenshot. If you want to interrupt the screenshot, that's not too long, just tap on the screen or go just here on done. So tap on the screen to interrupt the scrollshot, go on done, and now we have a long screenshot. So pretty cool. You can share it also directly, yeah, and so on. Pretty nice. And where to find our screenshots now? Of course, here the photos. And at the photos, we will have all our screenshots next to the camera pics and so on. But at the category albums here, the screenshots have their own folder, what's pretty cool. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.